What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeHolderFitness.com. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about why ab exercises are not working for you. Alright, let's get into the video. Now, I don't want to demonize ab exercises. They're amazing, alright? The abs are still a muscle just like any other muscle, like the arms, the chest, the shoulders, right? But most people spend years and years and years working out at the gym, all right? You may be guilty of this. If not, you've probably seen somebody literally every time they go to the gym, they're doing this. They're on that machine going hard, all right? But their belly is still hanging out. And that is because ab exercises do not shrink the waist, all right? There are studies that show that there is no anecdotal evidence that doing crunches, doing sit-ups shrinks the waist. There was no loss of visceral fat for people that were studied, all right? There's been case studies done on people that were doing ab exercises. No visceral fat loss, no loss of subcutaneous fat. So visceral is the fat that surrounds the vital organs. Subcutaneous is more like underneath the skin. And liver fat as well. No shrinkage in any of the areas where your body stores fat. That's 0 for 3, all right? The only benefit that came from doing ab exercises really was endurance, all right? Which means that you're able to do more of the ab exercise each time you work out. So maybe you've done 10 crunches last week Monday, and then next week Monday you're doing 12, and you're increasing the amount you can do or how long you can go, whatever it may be. But what about the belly? All right, what about the belly? What can we do about that? So all of this is not gonna help. So I'm gonna just erase all of this. None of this is gonna do a thing. All right, what we wanna focus on is diet. All right, diet is 85% of this whole thing. We wanna focus on HIIT cardio, or what I like to call ET, which stands for exhaustive training, all right? Or like circuit training. So diet is 80% of what's gonna give you the results. So we need to buckle down on the diet, whether that's lower carbs, higher proteins, intermittent fasting. We wanna do something preferably that's gonna keep insulin low, because crunches are not going to put your body into a state where you can tap into your fat storage, all right? I'm just be honest with you. I'm gonna give you the real. I got you. HIIT cardio as well. Super amazing, all right? Bicep curls are not going to help really facilitate fat burning. They're great for, toning up the arm, strengthening it, whatever. But in terms of overall fat burning, we wanna do something very exhaustive training. That's why I call it ET here. So things like burpees, squat jumps, mountain climbers, things that are gonna work your whole body, all right? These are gonna be very beneficial for fat burning. Still, like I said, I don't wanna demonize crunches. Continue to do your crunches, all right? Because you're still gonna strengthen the muscle, but just know that you need to do it in combination with these things, the proper diet and a HIIT cardio routine, if you want to actually see the layers of the fat melt and reveal your six-pack, all right? Now, if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness, all right? Peace.